And we gotta get this dude right here because he's been going crazy. Tell us your name real quick.
Hi, my name's Matt.
Yo, Matt is sick on the bike. He's been doing like crazy high airs, everything. And we're gonna spend the last 14% of this battery on Matt getting busy on the first straight.
Rock and roll.
Oh, real quick, just tell us about your bike really quick.
It's a 2012 FBM Steadfast. Profile cranks, Odyssey wheels. I got the Colt bars and fork. And S&M redneck stem, trusty old redneck. And checked out the tree spline drive steel sprocket.
Ah, hold on, let me get that side.
And yeah, pretty standard stuff. Straight cable, fly brakes.
Word, that's what's up. So we're gonna catch you riding.
Alright.
That's what it is. Crazy Al Kane with the quick bike check.